In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to become a coin seller on PoppoLive streaming app, or how you can start selling coins on PoppoLive. But before we go into practical aspects, there are things you need to know for you to start selling coins on PoppoLive. Even though I've done some videos before now, but there are a lot of updates, so just stay tuned. This video is for you. The first thing you need to know is that for you to start selling coins on PoppoLive, you must become an agent. Okay, so and when we go to the practical aspect, I'll show you how you can register to become an agent. But you should also note that if you are a host and you are under an agency, you must apply to quit agency before you can come and sign up to become an agent, because you cannot become an agent when you are under another agency. And if you are new, you don't know what we are talking about, Poppo is a live streaming platform that we use to live stream to make money, become an agent, play games, and do a lot of games on the PoppoLive to make money. So in the description of this video, I will drop a link to sign up if you are new, link to sign up to become agent if you are already host, you want to become an agent, and I'll drop link to my Telegram group. Please, as you join my Telegram group, you should know that I will never DM you first. Anyone trying to impersonate me using my profile picture or profile name or any other thing, it is not me. Please stay safe, I beg of you, in the name of God. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. You're welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So I will go to my YouTube so that you can click on the description of my video. So this video you're watching, just click on more right here. If you click on more, you click on this more again. So this is the link to become agent. This is the link to register if you are new, okay? And the link, if you scroll down, you'll see also the link to join my Telegram. So I'll click to become agent here. So I'm going to click on Chrome, okay? So once it open, I'll just put my Poppo ID. So you put your own Poppo ID, don't put my own. Some people are making mistake, they'll put my own Poppo ID and I'll be receiving notifications. So please put your own Poppo ID 3557180. That is to become agent. Then you now click on get here. If you click on get, they are going to send you a notification. A code will be sent to your Poppo messenger. So you just go to your Poppo messenger. You can just go to my PoppoLive now. So you just go to your Poppo message. If you click on message on Poppo, if you click on message like right here, you are going to see a message from Poppo. So you copy the code and then come back here and paste it. Then you click on submit. Then you become an agent. It's that simple. There's nothing hard in it. Okay? So if you become an agent and you refresh your phone, you are going to see this agent instead of my agent, and you are going to see this coin trading. So there are different ways that you can trade the coins. You can access this coin trading through your agent dashboard, or you can just get it right here, coins trading. And if you are an agent and your dashboard is not reflecting like this and you are a female, you can just kindly go to your Play Store or Apple Store and update your app. So to become a coin seller, you must be an agent. So once you become an agent, I am showing you a way that you can get it the cheapest. So let me just click on this agent dashboard, or let me click on this coin trading so that it will be fast for us. So right here, all you need to do is to top up. Like right now, I already have 873,300. So I will click on this top up. So if I click on top up, because I need to top up so that I can be selling, okay? So there are different ways. So the best option, as you can see here, with this ePay, if you are using ePay, you'll be getting 92,000 for $100 worth. But if you are using USDT, that's the trick. If you are using USDT, you'll be getting 99,000, okay? 9,900 for one USDT, and that means you can buy even $1 worth. That is unlimited. So that's first thing. So how then do you, if you sell coins in Naira or in your local currency, how do you get dollar to bring it to your agent coins trading dashboard to be able to be selling like this. Okay, so that is why you are going to need a crypto wallet or a crypto exchange where you can be buying, you can be using your naira or your local currency to use it to buy USDT and then transfer it to your agent dashboard. So I am a Nigeria, a proudly one at that, I'm a proud Nigeria. So I use Bybit for my exchange. I also use other crypto wallets. I use Trust and all Trust wallet. In my previous video, I even used Trust wallet, but now I'm using Bybit. Okay. So I'm going to drop a link that you can download the Bybit app and sign up. It's very easy. So if you have download, all you need to do, if you download and sign up, you are going to connect your Bybit with your BVN. So it's totally optional. This is not a financial advice. In this life, if you cannot take risks, we are leaving you behind. So you would have to update. You download the app, sign up, and then you verify your account. I've done a detailed video. I will link the video on how to do all that, how to download, sign up, and verify. So that in this video now, I will only show you how you can buy crypto with your naira or your local currency using P2P, so that the naira you are collecting when you are selling coins to people, you can use it to buy dollar, USDT, and then send the USDT from your Bybit to your Poppo so that you can buy coins on a cheaper rate. Okay, so on the Bybit now, here's my homepage. As at when I'm doing this video, BTC is at $98, man. All right, so I'll just click on P2P trading. So under this P2P trading, I'll click on I acknowledge. So I'm going to click on buy. Okay, so here they are showing you can buy. This one is ineligible. From this guy now, you can buy, as of when I'm making this video, naira to dollar is 1,753 naira. I'll click on buy here. If I click on buy, I'm going to click that I want to buy crypto. Okay, with crypto or with fiat. So since I'm using naira, I'll buy with fiat. So some you can, even if you want to check other ad that the person is selling, you can click here to see different ad, but this one is selling only, it's just this one, so no problem. So let me still go back. You can also check if you want to know how legit the person is, all these things you check around here. So here now I can put I want to buy 20,000 for 20,000. So if I click on buy now, that means this 20,000 will give me $11,399. So if I click on buy now, if I click on buy, it will show me account details that I will pay to. So if I pay the account, if I go copy the account details and pay to the person, and the person see it, and please, if you are buying, okay, I don't want to expose the person's account details here because crypto is banned in Nigeria, so I don't want to endanger the person. If you are paying, don't put description coins, please, so that they will not ban the person's account. Okay, so if you click on buy now, you will see the account and how much you pay, the exact money. Immediately you pay, you click on I have made payment. If the moment you see that you want, click on I have made payment. Okay, if you click on I have made payment, the person will check and confirm, and the person will release your coin. So once the person release your coin, you are going to come back and you click on asset here. If you click on assets, you are going to see your assets. For some security reason, I don't want to open my assets. Okay, you are going to see your assets. So I'll click on this funding. So that's how you will see your USDT. If you click on USDT, you are going to see your USDT. So now I'm having $4,300 for USDT alone. I'm seriously trading in this bull run. So for those that are interested in cryptocurrency, you want to learn more on how to trade and all that, I have a complete playlist on my YouTube channel. Comment I'm interested in learning about cryptocurrency. In the comment section of this video, I'll just copy the playlist and give to you so that you take your time and watch. This video is lengthy because this is how I teach. If you already know all this, that means my video is not for you. Thank you for the like and comment. So when you see it here, the next thing is to transfer the USDT that you have bought via pay-to-pay to your Poppo. So how do you do that? You come to Poppo here. If you click on Poppo, you click on coins trading. As you click on coins trading, you click on top up. If you click on top up, you click on USDT. If you click on USDT, you can see that the chain is telling you TRC20. If you make mistake and you did not put it into TRC20, your money is gone and gone for life. Nothing anybody can do about it. Very important. So you just copy here. This is my own. If you copy my own, if you go and type my own, yeah, anyway, you can't even type this. So you can't be that. Let me not use that word on you, please. So the next thing I will do, I will click on withdraw. Okay, I will click on withdraw like this. Then I will click on withdraw USDT, right? Then I'm going to paste. Sorry, I'm going to just click here, press and hold, and paste. I'll click on allow paste. Okay, then here, which is very important, remember what did I say? TRC20. So click the chain should be TRC20. If I put ERC20 and this money is gone for life, nothing anybody can do about it. I'm still telling you. So you click on TRC20. Then how much do we want to put? Let's assume you buy that $11, so you put it. So with this my $4,300, I can just put, if I want to buy like $100, that's all. So the next thing I will click on withdraw, because I'm not withdrawing it. As I click on withdraw now, it will ask me to confirm. If I click on confirm, it will ask me to put my funding password. I've already created my funding password. At this point, if this is your first time, it will ask you to create your funding password, and it will ask you to input Google Authenticator. So you are going to download Google Authenticator and link it, and you are going to create funding password. So the Google Authenticator, you can just go and download it on your app, or either your Play Store and all that. If you don't know how to bind your Google Authenticator, I've done a video on that, or as well I'll drop it in the description of this video, or you can ask in the comment section, so that I will show you how you can bind your crypto exchange with Google Authenticator, because you need your Google Authenticator. Like here now, I have a lot of them, so I'll just click on Bybit. I'll come back here and then I'll paste it and I'll put my withdrawal password. And once I do that, voila, the money will go to Poppo. So I'll wait for like 2 minutes. If I did not see that the money have increased, I'll now click on this credit immediately, or you can wait up to 5 minutes. But mostly with crypto, it has never stayed up to even a minute in my own case. But at least give it like 5 minutes. You click credit immediately, and then your money will reflect here. So once your money reflects here, how do you now send to people? Okay, when somebody wants to buy. When somebody wants to buy and pay money to your Naira account or to your local currency, as you can see now, I have only 572 coins. So let me click on coins trading. Let's assume that I want to buy for myself, or any other person that wants to buy from me. If the person have made payment and I have checked and verify that the money is in my account, all I need to do is collect the person's Poppo ID. Okay, so I'm going to be using my ID instead. You can actually also top up for yourself. So 3557180 is my ID. So I will now put the amount. So you will now type in the amount that you are willing to say that the person is buying, the amount of coins. Okay, so I will buy 220,000 coins for myself to top up. So I'll click on done, and then I'll click on transfer. Please ensure that the person, you collect the person's Poppo ID and tell the person to drop you his Poppo name, so that you confirm that it's the right person. Then I'll click on confirm, and I'll click the arrow backward. Please, you should like this video. If I begin to tell you the challenges, your village people don't want me to do this video. So you see that the coins are showing. and then you can tell the person that I have transferred, kindly check. So thank you so much. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. I've done a lot of Q&As before now, so if I see a lot of your questions, I'm going to come up and do a video like this. Like, I see a lot of people are asking for the updated version of how to sell coins. That's why I did this video. So please drop a beautiful comment. Even saying thank you, it means a lot to me, because as someone that is on the internet, there are some of this kind of in-depth training that people that are in the same niche with me ask for money for them to show you all those things, but I show you freely because I love you. So please drop a beautiful comment. It means a lot and lot and lot to me. And before I say bye, oh, today I went to drop my son in the park, and I saw a upcoming, yes, I can call him upcoming YouTuber. He recognized me from my voice. Like, this, my voice is telling me out, guys. So this is him. I'll drop the link, his channel in the description of this video. Shout out to you. And I also want to ask, because this is a new year, for as many people that are interested in starting a YouTube channel, if I can start it like a challenge for others to get inspired, get motivated, get guide, because sometimes you wouldn't even know how others are struggling from the start, even though you struggled before, but because you have passed through that stage, you can never tell how others needed the help or what you have done before. So I'm just asking a question. If people that are interested in starting a YouTube channel and you want me to create content that can guide you, or open a group that can guide you, or anything of that, so the comment is open. If I see more people that are interested, then we'll start. If you want it as a group, we'll open a maybe WhatsApp group or Telegram group, good and fine. Then we'll be creating content. Of course, for the videos, it's going to be on my YouTube channel. Just let me know what you think. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.